Thank you.
Yeah.
I could do like a drawing on it?
Yeah.
Overwhelmed already?
It's like I need a second to like.
Okay, tell them what today is. Tell them what we doing.
Okay, so we are at Supercar Saturday. It's what is it, like the first Saturday, second Saturday of the month?
It's 9:54.
Yeah, I've been in bed for like 2 hours a week saying I was gonna come, and we finally came. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell them how you didn't want to leave the markers outside because of.
Oh, people be stealing these goddamn markers. Like, I don't understand. Like, I know they're only like $2, but why are you stealing them? Please.
I think they just be forgetting they have them.
I understand. Don't forget. If you sign, put it back.
You got a whole crowd outside to greet when you. And look at Spider Thug over here.
And then there's an M4 gonna park right next to me. I just know it.
It's this. Wanna go meet Spider-Man?
He a little thick. Spider-Man is not that thick. He's a little thickums. We're gonna take you guys. Oh, that's a nice one. That's nice. That's nice. But I'm getting hot in here, so let's get out, leave the markers, because I don't feel like talking to a lot of people.
They're gonna want to talk to you.
Okay, fuck.
You ready?
Look at people coming. They're coming from everywhere. Over here. Okay, let's just get out and walk away. They don't even know
we're in the car. That's the funny part.
Get out and walk away,
they don't
please.
Let's get ready.
Please, let's go. Let's go. Fuck. Sorry. Please.
The whole time that's what's good about dark
We don't need. Yeah.
The whole time you was in the car, they did not know.
Huh?
The whole time you was in the car, they didn't know. That's funny.
Well.
Okay, which cars you want to see first? What cars you want to see first?
I don't know. Goddamn. I want to see a car that makes me want to work hard to buy it.
What do you mean, like
a
Supercar?
That's what I want to see. I don't want to see a Huracan or what's these other cars that we have in here?
Mainly just Lambos.
Yeah, like anybody can get a Lambo.
Really? You feel like Lambos are
Scammers can get Lambos.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
So I want a car that like nobody has.
Like rare? Like collectible?
Yeah. Ooh. That's so cute.
Cute?
Yeah.
You be calling cars cute. I feel like it's so disrespectful.
Baby.
Oh, someone got another CS?
Yeah, but mine is better. Here, right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I'm looking like this is completely stock. Like, come here. Yeah, of course. It look like they just got it because they have the little what's the name still.
I should have said, please don't steal the marker.
You gotta put a sign, don't steal the marker.
Don't steal the marker. I don't want to be that old when I have a conusec. Like I want to be before I reach 40. I think I want to get
Before 40?
Huh?
Before 40?
Yeah.
Okay. And none of these cars are catching your eye so far?
That's cute.
That's it? Nothing about it?
Nothing crazy.
Oh, look at all the bikes. M5 CS? Stop. Bro, what is the beef with the M5?
I don't have beef.
I feel like this is a... Hey, look at it. M5 CS. Big back. King of the big back.
Yeah, so can you please not even put that in my video? Please. Please.
That's your dream car right there, ain't it? GT3 RS?
Not a dream. I could get that. I could get that soon.
Whoa.
I can get that next year.
Wow, okay.
But I need to relax.
Okay.
But I can get it next year.
Stop.
When I graduate, well, not next year. I graduate 2026 in January, so I should get a car for my gift, right? Like for my graduation gift.
Ain't you getting an AP too?
Okay, why you telling my business?
That's a lot.
Why you telling my business? That. Like if you can see it, if you can touch it, what is his name?
See it, touch it, obtain it?
Yeah. I don't see conusec.
So you can't touch it or obtain this shit?
I mean, but I'm going to find a way. I'm gonna find a way.
Okay. And a lot of these cars is like stock. Like there's nothing.
That's crazy. But I mean, they spend a lot on them.
Remember, this is what they like in them competitions. Stock cars.
Look at Alex.
Ooh.
Look at him. What he doing? Directing traffic? What is he doing?
Is Alex down there? Hold on. Oh, I see. It look like he's directing traffic.
Like, sir, are you working here?
He might be. Yeah, it look like it. You gonna say what's up to Alex?
Hi. Okay.
Who's calling?
Hi, how are
I'm
you?
Crystal. We spoke on Instagram before.
Oh, what's up? We're supposed to do something.
Yeah. Everything's good. Where's your
car?
baby?
It's back there. You want to sign?
Yeah.
Way down there though.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh,
We'll pass my car.
God. Oh,
Pass my car. You can see it.
Okay. What car do you have?
GTR.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow. Race? You have a race?
Please. Please.
GTR versus
Please. I don't have
Have a
tires.
race?
For racing.
Oh, you can race eventually.
Oh, wow. Eventually.
We can do a little pull. I don't.
Go for a little.
Oh. No, dirty. Done to it.
So it's tuned, exhaust, downpipe, injectors, flexible kit.
Oh, for real?
Not as fast as I wanted to be. It's only like pushing 700 right now.
That's good though.
Trying to get into the 4-digit club. You know what I'm saying?
God.
You know what I'm saying? It's my baby. Oh, trust me.
Yo.
It's gonna take a minute.
March, April.
Yeah. I see you.
Trying to get there. Definitely need 1,000. But slowly but surely. Slowly but
Trying to be a
surely.
baby in the street.
No, fat with these men.
You gotta show them.
Yeah.
I don't know. Did you feel some type of way?
Yeah, we could be him.
Wow. Okay.
I used to have a Supra. That was fun.
Me too. The new
did?
one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And a black one.
So everyone just coming from B58s, huh?
B58.
That's what got me straight into BMW.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to Forge. Well, good luck getting that marker. I don't know who got it right now. I think there's
There's one right there.
is there a marker on the car?
No, she has one and he has one.
Oh, okay, she is.
Trendsetter.
Stop. Stop.
I mean, Nick Lou set the trend.
Nick Lou. Yeah.
The poison. It's good though.
Dirty right now, but
In this weather,
yeah.
everyone gets a pass.
Yeah. Okay. Just for today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This weather, who was
I thought it
gonna?
was raining this morning.
It was.
Man, you got a crowd. How do you feel right now? Overstimulated?
Yeah, I want to move.
My time. It's my time. All right. Where's the spot?
There's space everywhere. Wherever you want. Oh, sorry.
I'm like, what are you?
There we go.
What's up? All up in my face.
Trevor.
On discount, please. Everybody's been trying to rip me off.
Oh my god. What's the discount?
How much you charge?
It's on
You
video.
gotta think about it. You gotta think about it. I'm 240. Look like it. The old Beamer. This one you driving? 4x4?
Absolutely not. It's a short man that does that.
How you? Why it gotta be a short man?
Because usually short men drive the bigger cars.
That's wild. What type of analogy is that?
I'm just saying, like, short man syndrome where they have to feel like they're bigger than everybody and
Wow. Wow.
Make sure you put that in the video.
Okay.
I still love them, but
Wow.
are we passing the tacos?
Yeah. Corvette.
Corvettes are not that fast.
Bro, but they just Corvettes. They can be fast.
They can be, but they're not that fast. I don't get what the obsession with them is.
Corvette.
They're not that fast. Remember, I had one.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So I know.
All of them. All of them.
That was the worst sign I've ever seen in my life.
Okay. What kind of car you got? Hurry the fuck up.
What?
Because he should have never went in front of me.
Are you overstimulated?
Yeah, I think so. Let me relax. It was a lot of people today.
It's dark as hell right here. Roll down your window a little bit. It's still dark. Yeah, Mike.
Roll down your window.
It's still gonna be dark.
Is it?
It's still gonna be dark. But it's alright. It's fine. Continue doing what you do.
I'm not doing anything.
Hey, they like you for something.
Look.
Show them Niccolo.
Shout out Nick Lou.
Shout out Niccolo.
Is that what he said? Shout out Nick Lou?
I
think so.
I don't be paying attention to what people be saying. They not here for me.
I'll let you go ahead, sir.
Oh, cause it's alright.
Yeah, I'll let you go ahead.
Okay. I'm gonna have.
Because you got a nice car, I'll let you go ahead.
She ran until they get too cool. It look like a storm, bro.
Oh, that's fucking crazy.
Watch the speed bump.
I probably can't go over it.
Look, it's getting cold, the clouds getting dark, it's drizzling.
I'm going home to wrap up in the fucking blanket. Little baby girl.
After this call.
My little burbles. Can I go to the next lane?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Those, I like how low it is to the ground though. But I feel like that's it, no?
Yeah, but that's also why I like the R8, because it's so low to the ground. It's like on the floor.
Damn, that light changed in 2.2 seconds. I don't think I can race right now, even though I would want to. Why he slow down? I don't think I can race right now, but I would definitely try.
Which one? A McLaren?
I don't hear me. He's on his fucking phone. Look at this piece of shit truck. Why the fuck would you? Okay, I need something before. Where we going, baby?
Or the R8?
I want to hear all the pops.
Oh shit.
That wasn't me, was it?
It sound like it.
What? Definitely sounded like me for a second. I was like, wait, you know what? That's cute.
Go on.
It's cute.
why people who get it and actually push it, they actually start watching them. Because, you know, a lot of people who get them cars, they usually baby them.
Like, what's the point in having a fast car if you're not driving fast?
True. That's why people value the people who actually push their fast cars. You.
I'm always push it. Ooh, almost went the wrong way. I don't have the directions up. Let's see if I can remember by memory. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Okay, so that was